guys, my name is Archit, and in this episode of #TNL Taste, I'm going to show you how to make a really quick and easy mango and avocado toast. So let's get started. Here is everything you need to make this toast. Half a ripe avocado, half a mango, some freshly ground pepper, some salt. I use pink Himalayan salt here. You can use whatever salt is locally available for you. I also use red chili powder, but I use about half a teaspoon of red chili powder and the zest of half a lemon. And of course, finally, the bread. So to slice your avocado, you'll first have to take a sharp knife and run it from the top seam, which is where the stem of the fruit started, and circle all the way back around. Your goal is to kind of hit the seed, the hard seed in the middle, and when you do, you can just run across the both sides. When you take out your avocado, you'll have a better idea if you can even slice it, which was what I originally thought I'd do, but this avocado was actually so ripe that I had to then convert it into a mash. But either way works, it's a great flavor fruit. So the goal with the mango was to kind of cut it lengthwise into really nice slices. And so to do that, what I did was that I took the mango and I cut it lengthwise, and then I scooped it out with a spoon. After that, I cut it with a paring knife, and the widths of these mango pieces were about half an inch. You can always cut it wider if you like, but I really like the fact that there's enough pieces to kind of fill the bread, and that's what you would want to do. On to the final process, where essentially you're going to plate it all together. So on a plate, put your bread. On top of that, you can put your avocado. My avocado, like I said, was very, very ripe, so I had to convert it into a mash and just spread it. But if your avocado, has some amount of texture still left, you can always cut them into slices. After that, I kind of put my mango slices on top, followed by my spices. And of course, be wary of the red chili powder. It can be a little potent, but that's up to you. And that's pretty much it. I hope that you really enjoy making this as much as I did kind of sharing it with you.